Hello traders, how are you? I hope you are doing well. You are watching Trading Empire, and in this video I am going to explain how I use price action trading and supply and demand trading combined. So I have a live example for you how I trade both methods in a single trade. So I will explain each and everything in this video. So please watch this complete video for complete understanding. So let's get started. You are watching, I am on the USD CHF chart and this is daily time frame. So let's talk about how I took this trade. I told you I took this trade on both methods, price action and supply and demand. So how price action give me favor to this trade. So let's talk about the price action, then we will talk about the supply and demand, how supply and demand trading method works for this trade. So first of all we will discuss about price action trading. So market was dropping down. We have a new lower low here. Market pull back to our decision point. The people who does not know about the decision point, I discussed many times in my previous videos. They can watch my previous videos to learn about the structure of market, the trend of the market, how to identify trends and the decision point. So let's talk about it further. Market created a higher low and break over decision point. So we have a confirmation of new uptrend here. So we got a new higher high here. We have a new higher high. So I was waiting that market will pull back to same level, so I can buy this market from this level. So the trend of the market is clearly bullish. We have new higher high, market pull back to this zone and show buyers momentum. So the price action trading giving the clue of the bullish trades, and we can continue with the bullish trend. So how I took this trade. So when market move from this level to this level, we have a nice supply zone here. We have a supply zone here. Market drops down again. So market was here when I decided to look for bullish trades because we have a bullish momentum here. So I took this trade according to supply and demand trading. I further gone back to the H4 time frame. When market was dropping down, we got a nice based rally demand zone here. We have a rally, we have a base candle, and we have a rally. So this is actually a supply and demand trading. When market pulled back to this zone, we can buy this level to upside. So that was the scenario. If we go further down to H1 time frame, so we have a clear demand zone here. We have a nice drop, base, rally, then market drop down to this level, show us a bullish engulfing here. After this bullish engulfing, I entered a bullish trade and my stop loss is very tight. You can see that right below this demand zone, and market is running in our favor. So this is how I use supply and demand trading and price action trading combined. So let's draw the complete structure so that can make easy for you. If I go back to the daily time frame, we have a new higher high. So I was waiting at this level. I also took this trade from this level and gained some pips, but that is my second trade in this bullish trend. So I will keep buying this market whenever I got opportunities. Market was dropping down, then go upside. We got a new supply zone here. On this supply zone, market drop down, and I drop down to the H1 time frame. On H1 time frame, we got the nice demand zone here, drop base rally demand zone. I entered after this formation of bullish engulfing this, and you can see that market is going in our favor. Let me show you the risk to reward ratio of this trade. If I grab my Fibonacci expansion tools, so here is my entry. So we have almost more than 4-hour risk to reward ratio. So that is a massive trade. This is how you can combine structured trading, supply and demand trading. This is all about practice. Keep supporting me, keep subscribing me. If you enjoyed this video, then give it a thumbs up. Goodbye.